Level up your skills. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub.
Hi everyone, welcome to Naveen Tech Hub. Today we are going to learn one of the most important concepts in modern AI systems, harness engineering. If you are working with AI agents, LangGraph, or automation workflows, this concept will completely change how you design systems. Let's get started. Have you ever noticed that AI agents work perfectly in demos, but fail in real-world production systems? Most people think the problem is the model, but actually, it's not the model. The real problem is the harness.
So, what exactly is harness engineering? Harness engineering is the control layer around AI agents. It manages how agents execute tasks, how they interact with tools, and how they produce reliable outputs. In simple words, it makes AI usable in the real world.
There is a simple but powerful equation. Agent equals model plus harness. The model gives intelligence, but the harness gives control. Without a harness, the model is just a smart text generator, not a reliable system. This introduces a new way of thinking, harness engineering. Instead of prompt engineering, which involves guesswork, harness engineering focuses on designing robust, bounded systems to prevent failures permanently. Let's understand this with a simple Formula One analogy. The LLM is like the engine, powerful but directionless. The prompt is the accelerator. It makes it go faster. But without steering and brakes, the car will crash. Harness engineering builds the entire car, not just the speed. The harness is crucial because it prevents logic hallucinations, controls dangerous tool usage, maintains deep context over time, and unlocks enterprise-grade reliability for your agents. A production harness is composed of 5 key components: persistent memory, tool access control, feedback loops, safety guardrails, and a verification system. We'll examine each component in detail. Component 1 is persistent memory. This maintains system state across sessions, avoids repetition by remembering past actions, and enables complex multi-step workflows to run smoothly. Component 2 is secure tool control. This system ensures secure access to APIs and databases, using protocols like Model Context Protocol for validation, and enforcing strict read-only versus write access permissions. Component 3 introduces autonomous feedback loops, often utilizing the REACT pattern, reason and act. The agent takes an action, observes the result, learns from the execution, and automatically adjusts and retries. Component 4 is structural guardrails. These provide strict JSON schema validation, output formatting checks, and safety/toxicity filters. This ensures graceful and invisible error handling to the end user. Component 5 is the verification layer. This layer acts as the reasoning orchestrator, validating outputs against initial requirements. It blocks incorrect or hallucinated answers, ensuring absolute precision before final delivery. A powerful concept in harness engineering is the build-verify loop. The agent plans, builds, verifies, and fixes its output. This loop continues until the result is correct. This reduces dependency on humans. Middleware adds advanced control to the system. For example, loop detection to stop infinite cycles, checklists to enforce rules, context compaction to manage long tasks. These make agents stable and efficient. Let's look at the reasoning sandwich strategy. This uses an expensive LLM for high-level planning and verification, sandwiching a cheaper, faster LLM for execution and tool calls, optimizing both cost and speed. We use an AGENTS.md file to code the rules. This is a strict, version-controlled contract for your AI, defining what it must do, may do, and never do, ensuring predictable and safe behavior. Think of it like a contract for AI systems. The harness is your technical moat. While a weak harness leads to failure, the same LLM with a strong harness leads to production success. Remember, better systems outcompete better prompts. Real-world orchestration, like for a content team, involves chaining specialized agents, research, writer, reviewer, and SEO agent using the LangGraph orchestrator to manage the workflow. The goal is to bring intelligence, the model, and control, the harness, together. The result is production-ready autonomous systems. Stop prompting, start engineering. If you want to build real-world AI systems, focus on harness engineering. Don't just learn models, learn how to control them. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for more AI, data, and system design content. See you in the next video.